Hello friends, how handy it is to grow methi at home and use it every time. All you need is regular methi seeds from kitchen. As you know, methi leaves are super healthy and diabetic friendly. It's really good to include in your diet. You can use methi leaves in many dishes like methi dal, methi tomato curry, paratha, chicken and tempering in curries for nice flavor. The best part is you can grow methi in pots, ground, indoors, outdoors with partial or full sunlight. Needs low maintenance, just have to water daily. If you notice, sometimes methi doesn't grow well, as seeds never turn into seedlings. But no worries, here I'm to show you amazing foolproof way to grow methi easily. Let's get started. As you know, usual process is to add seeds directly in soil. But all seeds don't germinate well, thus leads to less seedlings. So here is my trick. Instead, I'm going to sprout the seeds first. Yields maximum harvest with all seedlings. Take 1 tablespoon of methi seeds. Soak seeds in water for 1 day. If you notice, seeds always sprout nicely with soaking. As you see, after a day, seeds have soaked well and ready to sprout. Now drain the seeds and collect the water. Don't throw away this methi water. It's more nutritious, much beneficial for diabetic people and everyone. Just add a pinch of salt, pepper powder, and lime juice. Then drink warm. Enjoy this healthy drink, tastes really amazing. Next, let's sprout the seeds. Take a cloth and lightly wet with water. Spread the soaked seeds and wrap them gently. Spray a little more water on top. Keep it inside a Ziploc bag to retain moisture and avoid drying quickly. As you see, with wet cloth and sealed cover, all seeds will sprout nicely in 1 to 2 days. Or you can use Sprout Maker. Comes with many holes, easy to sprout with good aeration. Add soaked seeds inside and cover with lid. Sprouts will be ready in 2 days. As you see, all seeds sprouted so good. Now seeds are ready for planting. One key thing is methi doesn't regrow after cutting like spinach. So you have to pluck entire plant or cut as needed. So to ensure availability every time, once first batch is half grown, keep the next batch of sprouts ready to plant. This way you will enjoy methi without long breaks. Let's see the planting. Take a pot or plastic box with lid to use underneath. Make sure to have drain holes at bottom to drain excess water. For box, make few holes with hot skewer or use a knife. Add the soil and level it up. Place the methi sprouts on soil. Then cover with soil on top. Spray a little more water to keep the soil moist. Since these are already sprouted, growth will be faster, guaranteed, and more consistent. Water daily and plants will grow easily. Look at how nicely methi plants grow. This is absolutely foolproof way to enjoy methi leaves. Enjoy harvesting fresh methi leaves every time. Stay tuned for many more useful hacks and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.